But let's see. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. YouTube crashed, guys. YouTube crashed. I didn't stop the stream or anything, it just crashed. Also, the internet is good. I don't know what happened. YouTube about to be crashed, same as Facebook yesterday. It's YouTube is next, of course. Samuel, YouTube crashed, bro. Just like you expected it to. For no reason. GJ failed the whole week again. Some weird moves on GJ. It's like the third candle doing the same thing again. Let's see if this is for real now. If this is gonna fill the range now for real. Let's go back to the news. YouTube crashed for a few minutes. Where's the news about YouTube now? Today might be better focus on equities and cryptos. More opportunities. I don't know, we don't do that. If we're not gonna have enough opportunities today, we move on to tomorrow. So not a big deal if we don't trade for a day. Do you use Fibonacci or just support and resistance? Only support and resistance. No need for Fibonacci. We don't need the Fibonacci. It's not necessary for us. GU is pushing also. We'll see. EJ is pushing also. Maybe we get a breakout on EJ. Let's go EJ, give us a breakout. A breakout like this on EJ, this would be nice. This would be nice, would be perfect. Sound is good. You guys can hear me, right? You're counting so much money. It's all fake, bro. Don't trust that. It's all fake. This guy just trying to scam you. Yeah, we need a candle close above 128,960. Once it goes above, this is gonna be the best break and retest here. EJ is gonna be perfect. I just hope it breaks. That's it. No face cam until I fix my setup. No camera yet. Till I fix my setup. It's a good thing maybe, because I can stream in pajamas. I don't need to dress. That's a good thing. Come on, EJ, it's pushing pretty nice. Once it goes above the previous candle, man, it's gonna be good. I just hope it doesn't reject, because this happens a lot of times. New setup? No, it's not a new setup. Setup is same. In my new place, I'm gonna have a new setup, of course, but it's taking me longer to set up everything. So I'm not there yet. I'm still streaming from back home. So this setup is gonna stay here, and I'm gonna have a different one at my different place. But it's gonna be a different one. I think I'm gonna make it even better than this one. Gonna change everything. Gonna make a way better room, also for gaming and trading same time. It's gonna be more different. What monitors? Well, like I said the other day, I'm not gonna use same monitors. I'm gonna use vertical monitors. So I'm gonna change a bit. Maybe 3 vertical monitors or 4. And a big TV above them, something like that. It's gonna be something like that. We're finally having trade day on GJ, ZJ, and EJ. Wow, this ZJ looks like a new pair. Which one it is? I think I'll take EJ. Not gonna spend too much time on GJ. It's a bit more complicated. EJ is simple. We just need a break here and all done. You know what's gonna happen here? E is gonna reject all the way down. I hope I'm wrong. I just hope I'm wrong that I think EJ is gonna reject all the way to the downside. Hopefully I'm wrong and we get a breakout. What do you think about HP NV34 all-in-one? Is it a vertical monitor or 34-inch is pretty big? No, I wouldn't take that. It's just I already have 27-inch and 49-inch. I don't need another one like that. Need monitors that go vertical also. I want to change something, not do the same setup again. It's an overall trend based on the 1 hour chart. For EJ? Yeah, it is true. Well, not an overall. Let's see the daily. If you look the overall look, it's still bullish, you know. But if you look at on the last few weeks, then still bearish. But the whole thing is that we're not expecting moves that gonna change the trend. You know, we're expecting small moves from a zone to the next one. All-in-one computers. Oh yeah, I have some experience, but not as good as this HP one. I had experience with a smaller one. I have one with it's also touchscreen. It's Lenovo, I think, all in one. Thought you ended stream because of no setups? No, YouTube crashed. I didn't end the stream. YouTube crashed and I started again. It was not my own doing. Terrible color scheme on your chart. Well, maybe, maybe not. No, the color scheme is good, just the quality is not good because I'm doing it on a different monitor because my main monitor is broken. So the colors will be looking way better when I fix my monitor. That's the reason. The color scheme is perfect. In my monitor is clear. For YouTube maybe not because it's the monitor fault. But it's gonna be fixed soon, so no problem. The color scheme doesn't matter. Trades is what matters, and we give fire calls, so we're still good, even if it's a bad color scheme. Don't worry about color schemes. Color schemes will change here and there because we get boring of the same colors all the time, so we make changes. I'm that kind of person that I like to change them a lot. Not like Ležek that uses only black and white for the last year. Never changed them. No, no, well, monitor just acting strange for a while. Maybe it's not broken yet. What happened? I don't know. I didn't touch it or anything. Things happen, guys. Maybe from electricity, maybe for different reasons. Doesn't matter. Just the green background is bad. Man, we gotta use different ones. You know, it looks bad maybe on your phone or your PC, but in my 49-inch, it looks great. You know, it's just different from where you watch. In my 49-inch, everything looks great. Whatever color you put, it looks perfect. That's the point. I like different colors because it looks good here, but when I put them on YouTube, they look not as good as how I see them. So we have a small problem there. Should I put the ones you like or the ones I like? That's the question. You're missing CJ trade. No, no, we're not missing anything. It's not a breakout yet. We're still waiting. What about yellow? No, yellow is not good. It looks even worse. Orange, pretty much the same. What about this one? This one looks cool. Just put it white. No, it hurts my eyes too much. Too much brightness. We'll stay like this for a little bit more, then we can change it maybe next few days. Blue with snow. Blue with snow, okay. Snow coming soon. We're gonna have snow soon, like we used to. We used to have snow. No, default colors, no. No, I don't want to be boring with default colors. Let's be boring with some different colors. Do you have any target to earn per day? Yeah, I need 10 euros per day to eat food in the morning and at the end of the day. A sandwich in the morning and a burger at the end of the day with a drink. Let's say 10 euros to buy a snack also. So 10 euros a day is enough. My target. Where are you trading from? Trading from Kosovo. No, guys, if you look at it, if I look at it today, I need maybe 10 euros, not more. What am I gonna spend today? I already have fuel, don't need to use money for fuel. What else? I'm eating breakfast from home, so I'm not gonna spend money to buy breakfast. I have plenty of drinks home, so today I might spend zero money. Zero cents. Okay, we have 20 minutes left for a breakout. 20 minutes left. Waiting to see what's gonna happen. Euro JPY is my favorite for the moment. For the moment, it's my favorite. So we're gonna wait and see if it gives a breakout. What do you think about gold? What do I think about gold? I think gold right now is doing nothing, absolutely nothing. It's just sitting at this support here. Not a very big deal. Let's see the 4 hour. The 4 hour is also at support. I can't really say anything about gold here. It doesn't have a clear setup. We don't usually trade gold, but right now at this point there's nothing. It just rejected. The last 3 hours it's been rejecting. We had this bullish candle close above this a little bit, but was weak. So price coming back down again. I would say if there was a better bullish candle here, the previous one closed better, I would say okay, we have a break above. So you could have a break and retest continue to the upside. But right now It's not doing anything. The break above was weak. Can't really trust that. It's gold, so you need a way better confirmation. AUDJPY is breaking out also. It's maybe faster than EURJPY. AUDJPY, yeah. AUDJPY is breaking too. Finally, let's go. We can take AUDJPY too. It's a good level. It's a 4-hour level too. I mean, look at this 4-hour. This is gonna be nice. A whole pullback, big wick leaving, turn bullish, breaking resistance. All we need is a retest and we're gonna fly to the upside. What car do you drive? I drive a Porsche. This is my Porsche here, look at this. Look at my Porsche, it's pretty nice actually. This one here. It's nothing much. It's a classic Porsche. It's enough for me. Where would you enter on AUDJPY, top or bottom? I think on the top one. I'm gonna enter on the top one because that's also where the 4-hour is. I mean, it can come deeper, but it's like a 3-4 pip range. So we're gonna have to wait and see. This car is nice. It's nice. You guys don't know what my next car is gonna be, but you're gonna be surprised. You're gonna be surprised with my next car. I haven't seen a car like that anywhere else. It's gonna be one of the best you'll ever see. Cat JPY on there. Look, let's focus now on one, okay? Or two. It's either going to be AUDJPY or EJ. EJ still doesn't have a clean breakout, so we need a bigger push here on EJ. It's not exactly like we want. We need a bigger push. Because this is going to be a weak breakout. only 2 pips above. We need a bigger push. Now CAD JPY is also pushing, but I mean you gotta choose one. Which one you like more, you'll take that. For me, I'll wait to see. It's gonna be AD JPY or EJ. CAD JPY is also good, but there's just more rejection on AD JPY and EJ. I like it more. EJ is very simple and clean. That's what I like. I like simple setups with good support and resistance. If EJ doesn't break good enough, then we have AD JPY, which is better. It's your choice, guys. You pick and choose which one you want to take. For me, either ADJPY or EJ. One of these, it's gonna be my setup. This looks bad. Looks bad like this. Let's see, we can compare the colors. We can compare the colors like this. See, the default one is so bad, like this boring as hell. This one looks good though. I like this too. This one is white. What do you think about GJ? GJ might be the worst of all for now. It doesn't have a good setup. I don't like GJ for now because it's just the setup is not good enough. We had these 2 big rejections. Now how are we gonna make the retest here? You need a whole pullback of this 1 hour. That would be ugly pullback, and I wouldn't trust it if it comes all the way down like that. It would be too risky for me. Look at EJ. Look at EJ going all the way to the downside now. I guess ADJPY is gonna stay the best of all. We'll see. Okay, I'll be back in 2-3 minutes. I'll be back very fast. Why not take both with half risk? Well, you can do that. You can do that, my friend. Why not? It's up to you. Why not put, half of the house in one, half of the house in one? One of them might work. First floor on EJ, second floor on ADJPY. Come on EJ, just a little bit more, man. You just need a good breakout, that's all. CAD JPY doesn't have enough rejections like ADJPY has, for example. But still can be good. Still can be good. Let's see. We need to see what the close is gonna be. We have 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. News not until this CAD news in 3.5 hours. So plenty of time. Some more USD news in 3.5 hours and in 5 hours. So plenty of time for these to work out. Half an hour is all we need to get this nice setup here. At the end, it might be only ADJPY with a breakout and EJ might be stuck here. It's very slow. ADJPY is moving way faster than EJ. You can see that clearly ADJPY is winning the race. EJ is famous for fake outs? Not exactly. It's not known for fake outs. I wouldn't say. EJ is a good pair to trade. It just not every time gives you chances. Not every time. too slow. I watched NZD US dollar for a couple of years and drew a wedge from top and bottom of weekly candlesticks. The wedge is closing in. However, when is the breakout? No idea. No idea about your question. When is the breakout? I don't understand that. I need more specifics on your question. EJ rejecting. Very nice, EJ. So EJ is out of the options right now because 2 minutes left. It's not a breakout. Even if it closes above, it's going to be a weak breakout because we're going to need at least to move all the way up here in order to have a good breakout at least, because it needs to be more than 5 pips. 5 pips is not enough. So we go to AUD JPY, which is a very good position right now. We're closing above this zone. And I think it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice, yeah. It should be. How big the breakout is, let me check right now. From this zone, the breakout is 7 to 8 pips, almost 8 pips. Pretty nice. Decent breakout. Let's go AUD JPY. I was about to say EJ, but no, not EJ. Let's go AUD JPY. It's gonna be nice. Great close. What about CAD JPY? Did it close nice too? See, even CAD JPY not a very good close like AUD JPY. So I think AUD JPY won here. We'll take AUD JPY. How about GU long? GU long. We're gonna stay away from GU just because the daily is at resistance. However, the 4-hour looks nice. The 4-hour looks nice. What should we do, man? The 4-hour looks nice. Ooh. But like I said, the retest needs to come all the way down here. I think I'm gonna skip. No need to take that. I'll focus on AUD JPY here. We are looking for buys at 840, hopefully if it comes. Stop loss is gonna be, let's see, 10 pips. 10 pips stop loss. That's how many pips we're gonna use here. 10 pips stop loss. Take profit's gonna be first target 10 pips, and for that we need just a flip bullish here. After it comes for retest, rejects, a flip bullish, that's the first target, and then we can continue to this next zone, which is a 30 pip range. It's pretty nice. It's pretty good range there. So let's wait and see. We're gonna enter at 840 hopefully. EJ didn't even break. There's no breakout on EJ, unfortunately. Unfortunately, there's no breakout. So we wait. We wait for AUD JPY, which is, I think is gonna be nice. Look, we have a 4-hour close too. Look how bullish it closed. Look how big the rejection was. All we need is a small retest and to the moon. Maybe not, but to this next zone, yes. It's coming slowly. Hopefully it comes straight away. Then we have a lot more time for price to continue up. Would be great. If you look all the way here on September, then you might find a level on AUDJPY. Now, I don't know if we're gonna consider this or not, or we're gonna take the risk. I don't know, September to October. Last time price was here, but then we created this zone here. So I don't know what to say, to be honest. It's your choice. There's a zone there, but it happened a month ago. So if you want to take that in, or if you think that it's gonna affect the price here, then you can just skip. But I think I'll take the risk here. It's been a while since price has been rejecting the zone, and I think it's good enough to hold it, and it's good enough for price to continue to the upside after it makes the retest, if it does, because right now it just turned bullish. It just turned bullish. It might just continue all the way to the upside now, unfortunately. And no new high made there yet. See, this is a daily level too, so it's matching perfectly with the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Same level on the daily. On the left, you can't really see a level. That level, it does exist on the 4 hour though. So, I don't know, it might cause problems. I mean, based on what's happening right now, we have good momentum, a good 4 hour close, a good 1 hour close, a good support to hold, so we can continue higher. Chances are good, so I'm gonna go with buys here if it comes. Upcotex. We don't know what that is, my friend. We don't trade that. Sorry. I am sorry. USD CAD, what? It doesn't seem like there's something happening there. The price is I don't know if we can count this as support. Seems like a zone, but no, there's nothing on USD CAD. Skip it. Skip USD CAD. It's not good. NZ US dollar almost closed above the zone too. Pretty crazy. Look at NZ US dollar now. If you look only on the 4 hour, it looks perfect for buys. All you need is a retest here at the 500 level, which is a 4 hour level too. Closed above the previous candle. Makes perfect sense to continue up. We have the next level all the way up here. It's clean traffic, nothing much. Nothing should be in NZ US dollar way to continue up. CAD JPY closed above 2, a weak breakout, but things can still continue up. And AUDJPY here still at the same place. I might just put a buy, the limit there, because it might take too long and I might be in the right moment at the charts. That could happen. I mean, we have like a double confirmation, so it's pretty good. Geo, we talked about Geo, Andrea. It's we're skipping it. Daily is not in our favor. 4 looks good. I don't know if I want to risk this when the daily is telling me the different thing. Daily telling me a different thing. In the meanwhile, the 4-hour tells you different thing. Which one you want to trust? I wish the daily wasn't there, because the 4-hour, I think it's gonna work out either way. It's tough choice to make. Check Bitcoin. Might be a good trade. Wow, Bitcoin did a break and retest already. 2 break and retests. Like I said, guys, 840 entry. We'll see if that holds. $8.40 entry. We use a 10 pip stop loss, and all we need is a flip bullish to get 10 pips. Then a little bit more if we're a bit lucky. I mean, it should continue after. There's a lot of momentum right now. We have a good close. I don't know what else to say for it. It's still good. But I don't know if it's gonna come. That's the whole point. If it makes a new high, then probably it's just gonna move more. Because it rejected again. Yeah, it's pushing. It is pushing. Yeah, I think it might be over. Yeah, DJPY made the small retest, Not enough for us though to enter. I needed to come at least another 5 pips. It's already made new high now. Today's very slow day. At least we have EJ, maybe it breaks later on, who knows. Still we have some options. Still do. There still might be a trade later on. GA is going all the way to the downside. Look at the 4 hour, it closed below at the end. GCAT could be also an option for later if it breaks above. If it breaks above the took a small position on ADJPY FOMO. Yeah, I guess you were scared that it's gonna move earlier and you entered in a 5 pip range. So if it would come for retest, you would already have a position 5 pips in drawdown. If we would get stopped, you would lose 15 pips and we would lose 10. But you got lucky and you're winning half since you entered a small position, but the consequences would be way bigger than what the reward's gonna be. Are you still considering GBP a buy? I didn't consider GBP buy at all for the last few hours. I considered GJ a buy on this candle. 1, 2, and 3 hours ago I considered a buy, but it didn't give me the setup, It did the move and everything, but not the setup. That's unfortunate. Looks like you can do streams on TradingView too. So a lot of streams on TradingView. Okay, guys, I'm leaving now. ADJPY, is it still on? It might be. It didn't move that much, but I don't know. I think it still might be there. It turned bullish, pushed a little bit higher, but at the end it made how many pips move? It's only 5 pips, right? So I guess it's still good. It's not bad. We'll see. I think I'll still take it. Let's see when it comes, because if it comes later on the hour, I might not take it. So we need this faster. For now, I'm gonna leave and have a nice day. Have a nice day, you guys. See you. See you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you for being here today. Have a nice day.
Thanks, take care.
See you, Lejek. We'll keep in touch in the group if anything happens. We'll see. Bye, guys. See you later. No, but see you tomorrow. ADJPY is still on. 840 entries, 10 pips stop loss. We'll see what happens. But if it comes after or on the last 30 minutes, we might reconsider if we want to take it, because coming late On the hour, it's not good. See you for now.